Hello and welcome to the Microsoft Excel application course. In this video we will talk about the last parts of Workbook, Worksheets and Cells, and that is showing you how to navigate to printing workbooks and also exiting Excel. So in showing you how to print, we'll just show you how to use the commands because there are no actual printers attached, but that will help you be aware of how to do that when you want to eventually do it with your own printer. So let's pull up one or two of our workbooks. Practice book 1. So if I want to print this, I can do it in two ways. I can either use Control P, or I can just go to File menu and I can click Print, and there it will display this window showing me what I would see when I print. So this is 2 pages because I see 1 of 2, and I can go here to see the second page, what it looks like, and go back to 1. Here, before you hit the print button, you can select how many copies of the workbook or document you want to print. You can here select the printer type and click, and depending on what the printer is connected, we have one here wirelessly but it's offline, so I will skip it. And for the copies, I can increase it to 2, 3, or as much as I want. And you can also do some other settings here by saying I want to print only page 1 to 1, or if you have more than 1 pages, you can indicate those pages. And here you can choose if you want to print only the active sheet, which is sheet practice 1, and or the entire workbook, which means you will print all the other sheets in this workbook, or you can select within the current sheet, and I click out. You can also indicate if you want to print on one side of your paper or on both sides of your paper, either way. And you can also select whether you want a straight paper or landscape, which is wider in that sense. So put it back to portrait, and the type of paper you're using, most likely A4 for a lot of people. And you can also do margin settings if you want, but that I will leave out. And there are many other things, and you can go to your printer properties, and you, depending on the printer connected, you can make all the changes you want, but I will skip this part. Sometimes it's a page setup. You can also make some changes here. Again, this is portrait landscape, header and footer information, margins, but we will skip this one. So again, it's just to show you how you can come to this point and how you can play with it. And when you're ready, you just hit the print button. Make sure there are papers in the right papers in your printer, and you get out what you have selected to print. Okay, I will go back. Another way is by using the Control P. So I will hold, let's see, I will type it for you guys to see. This is what I mean. It's also print Control plus P, or called Control P, which means I can just press Control on my keyboard, which I'm doing right now, and I'll press P, and the same window comes out to do all the selection we just explained. So I will go back. And another way is I can show you with another workbook, let's say the templates, wedding budget, and I can go to File, go to Print, where are you? And here you see there are 4 pages, and I can indicate page 1 to 2 or to 4. You can go see how they look like before I can even print. And when I'm done, I click the print, and then I go back. So that is exactly how you can print in Microsoft Excel. The last thing we're going to talk about is when you're done with your Excel and you finish saving, click the save button, you can close your Excel. So And you can do that by, let's see, there is no exit here, doesn't say exit, so you can do that by using the close button, or you can do that by using Alt F4. So here we say close and close. Because we didn't save this, it will ask you to save, and you can say yes, save, it's closed. And that brings us to the end of this video and this topic. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video or topic. Bye bye.